Hello and welcome. So today I'm making laddu. This is motichur laddu, which I'm making with chickpea flour, organic chickpea flour. This is the brand I use. So I have taken 2 bowls of besan, that is chickpea flour, and I've added 2 pinches of baking soda in that, and then I've made a solution which is like this thick. That is, I used 2 bowls of water, one and 1.5 bowls of water, and 1.5 bowls of water for 2 bowls of flour, chickpea flour, and 2 pinches of baking soda. I've made a batter of running consistency. Now I'm going to fry this in clarified butter, that is ghee. And here I've taken again the same measuring bowl, 2 bowls of sugar, and I've taken 1 and 1/4 cup of water. That is 1 cup of water and then another 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to boil this, and then I'll be adding some cardamom to this and some saffron. So this is how I'm going to make it. Here I've taken clarified butter. When I warm this, it'll be enough for me to fry the the batter, and then I'll be cooling it and then grinding it and then making the laddu with it. So I'm going to start with this frying. I'll first melt this ghee, and then I will make the I'll fry the batter. So this is the saffron I'm using. It's from Big Basket, and it's a Tata Enterprise, and I've added it to the sugar solution. So I've added the saffron to the sugar solution, and it'll release its color by and by. The ghee has become hot. Now I'll be pouring in the batter and frying it. Fried one batch. Now this is the second batch that is frying. First I made it into like concentric circles, and it's a little difficult to make it like that. So I made it into small little fritters. And this is the sugar solution, that is the saffron is infused into it. So this is first round. Second round I'm going to make the third round. Now I've taken around 10 cardamom. I've only taken the inside seed of the cardamom, and I've pulverized it in this mortar and pestle that I have. With this I made it into a powder. Now I'm going to put this in the sugar solution. Now this sugar solution is perfectly fine. Now I'm going to pulverize this, and I'm going to prepare some cashew nuts and raisins. I'm going to saute it in a little bit of clarified butter, and then I'll first pulverize this and make it into a powder, like rough powder, and then I'll be mixing everything together. Before mixing, I'll be dry roast, sauteing some cashew nuts and raisins and watermelon seeds in clarified butter and adding it to this. So I am sauteing the cashew nuts and the raisins. Once they get nice and brown, I will be pulverizing the fritters. Yes. So this is done. Now I have to just pulverize the fritters, mix everything together, warm it a little on the stove, and then cool it, and then make the laddus. I'm making motichur laddus. It's a sweet dish made with chickpea flour. So I have pulverized the fritters, and it's become like small little granules. That is what motichur laddu is made out of. Put this into the hand blender, and now this is the last batch I'll be pulverizing. So this is done. I have stirred it, and I'm going to let this cool down, and then I will be making the laddus. So I have finished making them, and I have put them in the temporarily I've kept them in this pan, which I mixed them finally, and I sorted the dry fruits. I'll be transferring them into a steel container, and they're really so delicious, and it's got lots of dry fruits since I've added quite a bit. And I wanted to make this since Diwali, and something or the other kept happening and I couldn't make it. Finally, I've made it in February, and I'm really happy with this effort and the taste and the ease of making it. This is one of my favorite sweet dishes, and so this is motichur laddu and made with pure ghee and dry fruits. So this is my video for today. Thank you for viewing. Bye and take care.